In this video, I will show you how to check your Gmail account, recent activities, and login details of different devices that means have access to your Gmail account to be sure your Gmail account is fully secure. Let me show you how. Open up your Gmail app, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. After you open up your Gmail app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your profile icon from the top. Proceed to manage your Google account. Click on security and sign in. That's going to take you right here. Scroll down right here and then go ahead and click on review security activity. Then here you go. Recent security activity, see security activity and alert from the last 28 days. Scroll down right here and every activities in your account is going to be given right here. You can simply check them one after the other. Like for instance, click on here to open this. And you have detail right here. Microsoft 365 import was granted access to your Google account. And here, these are the report details right here. However, if you find out that some of these activities are not fully recognized, click on No, secure your account. Once you click on No, secure your account, every data and information gathered by this particular account will be remotely removed from your Google account. Then go back right here and review all others. Like for instance, this one right here, and then this one right here, Anki of Google Data Schedule. Then if you find out this is not recognized activities, simply click on No Secure Account and you are done. You can review and remove as far as different unrecognized recent security activities on your Google account to keep your account fully secure. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about Google account or Gmail account security, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.